practice the push kick and spinning side kick. Again, the emphasis is regaining the balance. Ang pinakasimpleng bagay na gagawin mo pag na-off balance ka ay ibaba ang base mo. I think in any sport that you play, you serve, di ba? Notice na pag masyadong mataas niya, pero when you lower your base down, nakukuha mo yung proper level. Ako, I flyboard. Flyboard. So flyboarding naman, pag masyado kang kick, na-off balance ka, lower your base down. Any sport where you could find the proper base allows you to think properly and read properly. Because it's really hard to think and read na nalalaglag ka on your back. Same goes with the technique of spinning, side kicks, and push kicks. So from this position, same stance push kick muna forward. Si partner, pag sasunod ng push kick, ganito muna. Okay? Yan muna. Sukanda muna. Okay? Push kick, balance. Okay? Spinning, balance. For the sake of this, si partner na sumasalo, umaatras din. Yun lang naman Pakan-cha-cha. Pakan-cha-cha na may sipaan. Ganun ang mangyayari. Okay? So, yun Again, I do my push kick. Yeah, you could do this. Pero sinabi ko, diba, when your balance is already in the back, sumipa ka, at sinubukan mo pang sumipa, nandito na, malaki ang tendency na malalagdag ka, or your power is here, not here. You want it to go here. So, push kick forward, spinning side kick forward. Tapos ka, spin stand, push kick forward, spinning side kick forward. Now, I'm doing this very slowly. If you do it very quickly, mas madali because you're not lifting your leg in the air. Stop, 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 stop. Okay? So, make it a dance. Make it a flow. The quicker you are to go down, kasi naging mannerism na to go down, mas madali mo makuha yung balance. If you would notice kickboxers, example given always, Conor McGregor, right? Mababa yung stance niya. Old Conor McGregor. Yung mabait natin yung style. Kasi yung mga sisipa niya, very erratic, ganun. Pero the moment that he lowers his base down, nakakatch niya uli yung fighting stance niya in a very, very quick manner. Push kick forward, spinning forward. Okay? Huwag lang sobrang baba na tatamaan mo ay yung ikalawang ulo. Alright? Ito lang Stop. Break. Stop. 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 Okay? So you have your assigned partners. Thank you very much. Habang pabilis ng pabilis, mas pabilis na pag-ibig yung balance. Hindi mo na pinubuhat yung paa mo. Nice one balance agad. Ganyan flow. Takot na pass. Nice one, bilis, pabaga. Yan, start, atras. Sorry. Hindi lang, again, paano yung double roundhouses lang kung hindi mo ginagawa naman, the drill trains you to master the art of balance.